back with my Thoughtful Thursdays, and I feel so joyous every time I do my Thoughtful Thursdays because I have to really rack my brains and think about what should I really share. This is something that happened to me. I call it the blast from the past. And my first project when I joined Ormax, or maybe a little down the lane, was Garvare Sun Films. I don't know why this project or assignment came to my mind. It came to my mind to tell you just one important thing. Research is not about only talking to people, right? There's much more to research. There is so much more that one can add value when we use all our senses. And I want to share this example with you because those who know me well, I have this thing where I get bored, and being bored is really good. And I've used this particular trait of mine to the hilt. When I did Garvare Sun Films, this project was in Delhi. I didn't know it was such a big thing there. I went for all my interviews. I started getting bored because I kept hearing the same information. And I asked myself, what is it that I'm missing? And that was a very good question to ask. And then I said, have I looked around? If this is going to be on the windows, have I looked around? And when I started looking around, I realized there were many elements to putting a sun film. The installation of a sun film. And once it was put, if it was not put well, there could be bubbles. And what happened to after it was put? What about the cleaning? And I realized that many people told me when I asked them that it gets scratched. The moment a sun film gets scratched, it starts peeling. And lo and behold, that presentation and that research opened my mind to something called usage behavior. We never ask people how they're using a particular product because we assume a lot of things. And that always helped me in good stead because I think everybody knows that we worked on Fog. It's one of our brands that we worked on. And again, the same thing happened to me. I was bored. Group after group, interaction after interaction, same thing. And I asked myself, what is it that I'm missing? And in that moment, I asked someone, hey, show me now how you use a deo because I like using a perfume. And he said, like this. I said, like this? I said, who taught you that? They said, Access thought that. And I said, and then somebody suddenly said, Aadha to hawa mein ud jata hai. That was my moment. And after that, everything that I did was ask more about this. We need to get to the heart of the matter. And I want to encourage everybody who's into the insights, marketing, communication, FMCG, is to just be curious. And it's all right to get bored. You never know what question you can ask in that frame of mind. So, encouraging you to be more curious, encouraging you to ask the Teda question, and encouraging to ask what is missing. So if you like what I say and you want to know more, reach out to us.